Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and this is my copy of 60 Hikes Within 60 Miles of Portland, Oregon. Now, my wife and I live in Portland, Oregon, and this book has been amazing. It's been incredible. We try to get out into nature about once a month to relax, get out of the city, and this has been great because each one of these trips is within an hour or 2 hours of Portland. So it's been great, and I do also appreciate the high quality of the book. As soon as you pick it up, you notice right away that it's thick, high gloss paper, so it's tough. So it's something you can throw in your backpack and you don't worry about it getting torn up or getting damaged. Now if you open it up, I really like the full color illustrations, and right here they have a convenient table that tells you all the information you need to know about a hike, how easy it is, how far away it is from downtown Portland, and lots of other useful information. And they always come with a high quality map, which is right there. So you can see, for example, including an elevation map. And this is also handy. They have the GPS coordinates to the trailhead, because it's not always easy to find a trailhead, but that's been nifty a couple of times for getting to the right place. So this was a great pickup. My wife and I are really happy that we got it, and that's my point of view.